Welcome to another edition of Devil's Dog Treasure Hunter. This one's a little different. We haven't done any liquidations, and we said we're going to do some liquidation videos. We haven't had a video for a while, so I figured we'd bring you a really cool video. We bought a liquidation load out of California, Target and Amazon, general merchandise. This is the load. The truck just showed up. You can see the truck, 53-foot container, full of merchandise, new stock, a few returns, old stock. One thing I want to say, if you're interested in liquidations, we got the fire department going by, police, right when we do videos. One thing about liquidations is when you order something from a supplier and it's coming from a long ways away or short ways away, and you're ordering truckloads, make sure it's got a seal on it. So there should be a seal, looks like this, it's on the back doors. They put these seals on there so you know when that load, when you purchase it directly or wherever, it's not tampered with in between the time it leaves the facility or the destination it's leaving from and the time it gets to you. So if they don't use a seal, then I'm not saying it is tampered with, but with the seal, it gives you a sense of security. Your broker or distributor or whatever should put a seal on the door and send you a picture of that seal. They got numbers on it. And as you can see, we took the seal off when he got here. The load hasn't been tamper-proof. These are tamper-proof tags, so if somebody does tamper with it, the tag breaks. So that seal, you know, gives me a little bit more confidence that no one's messed with this load. I mean, as it showed up, it's how it's gonna be. So we're gonna unload some. You'll see us unload a little bit, and then we'll do some unboxing, show you what we got, you know, once we get it all laid out. So you saw us bring in the loads, we got all in here, we've moved stuff around. Now what do? That's the question. A lot of you that are interested in getting in this, you've got to be more than an online seller. You've got to be, you know, selling at flea markets, yard sales, online. You know, it's going to take a lot of different sales channels to move this size merchandise. Even if you're doing pallets, not everything's going to fit online. So we'll do a little processing today. We'll set up for a sale. I'll show you how we set up for a sale as we're going along. I'll show you some of the stuff that come out of the load. We're going to work on Target today. The Amazon RPI stuff, we'll work on that, you know, in maybe another video or maybe later in this video. But it's just a general purpose. So what we have, Target, it's going to be a mix of returns, overstock, new product, shelf pulls. This is what this load is. So to give you an example, we just busted one pallet down. They're working on some stuff over there. But this is what's called a .com return right here. These two boxes right here, we put off the pallet. It was sent to somebody changed their mind, or they couldn't deliver it and they sent it back to the factory. So instead of putting it on the shelf, they put it in liquidation. So brand new, as you can see, brand new wicker chairs, big old wicker chair set, and everything's been put together. This piece right here, at least at a minimum $100 a piece. We got two of them. They're probably, I'll have to look them up, but I'd probably say they're probably like $249 a piece in the store, maybe $179, somewhere in that range. We'll price them at $100 a piece our sale. You want to be in, you know, for having a flea market, yard sale, that kind of stuff. If you're buying at the right percentages, I want to be in the 60-70% of retail range. That's what I'm selling stuff for. You know, the first couple days, and then the last day of my sale, I'll do a deep discount to try to blow the rest of the stuff out. But 60-70% range is where you want to be selling at, below retail. You know, if you're a buyer in that's a good price range you'd be in. So that'll give you an idea. We'll show you everything we got, or a lot of what we got. So we're gonna put $100 each on these, and we're gonna move them over there. So we were going to show you on processing the boxes, but it become a lot of work trying to process and do a video at the same time. We had to get set up for our sale. So we've got the two loads that come in all set up for our sale. Our sale's this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We don't know when the video is going to be posted, but we have to sell this coming weekend. So Hayden will pan around and just show you. I mean, everything in here is about 2.5 tractor trailer loads of liquidation that's in here, and Hayden will walk around with the camera and show you. And then I was afraid we weren't going to have enough merchandise, so Hayden will turn around real quick and show you. We ordered another load of 26 pallets. This is all backup liquidation. This is all brand new case pack goods here. So at the beginning of the video, you saw what a return mixture of new returns, that kind of stuff looks like, which he'll show you on the tables. It's predominantly new, but there is some few returns mixed in, some box damage. But this load right here is what they call a case pack load. So everything is brand new in cases. It's 26 pallets. And I don't have my knife right, open one up. We'll open one up later in the video. But this kind of load is called a case pack load, a bullseye case pack load. We can't say the name of the store. But this is all brand new, brand spanking new product in original cases. We're gonna put this out as space permits in our sale, just to add to the sale the whole time. But Hayden will pan around, walk around the table, show you what we got. A lot of cool stuff come in. Hey, we hope you like what you saw. A little bit of liquidation, a little bit different than what we usually do. We haven't made a video for a while. Made one now. Liquidation, some big things with liquidations. If you're interested in buying pallets and truckloads, do your research on who you're buying from. There's a lot of bad ones out there that just want to get your money and they don't care if you come back. But there's also good ones out there. Do your research on a liquidation company you're looking at. You can actually visit the facility, get eyes on it, see what you're buying first, or find someone, you know, that can recommend some good liquidation brokers to you. That way you're not getting taken advantage of, because there's a lot of crap out there too. There's a lot of bad product out there, but there's a lot of product you can make money on. Percentages, I mean, we pay 15 to 20% on this kind of stuff, you know, retail numbers, 15 to 20% of retail. We're selling it for 50, 60%. That's a 40, 50% ROI, return on investment. I mean, that's not bad money. But you have to have more than one outlet to be able to sell merchandise on. You can't just rely on online only. You have to be able to sell locally. Like we do a sale, we also do online auctions, we also use auction houses. We do online, because if not, in the liquidation world, you're gonna have such a wide variety of product, you have to be able to move it. And one place to move it is not gonna be able to take care of all of it. So, with that said, thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time. Comment, like, and below. Make sure you subscribe. Let us know in the bottom what you want us to talk about. If you want to talk about more liquidations, let us know. See you next time.